Hello friends, Toha here of Into the Nature. Today I am showing you which gears we use for our shooting for the channel Into the Nature Relaxation. So this is our backpack and this is our main camera body, which is called Canon 700D with 18 to 135mm zoom lens. Here is our main sound recorder, Zoom H1N, and a earphone for the checking of sounds. Here are some cables, and this is a USB light. Here are some other cables, and this is our second sound recorder. Mostly we use it for our voice recording. Here is a lens cap. This is the charger for camera, and here is a power bank to charge our phones, and a portable hard drive to store our footage. And here are some extra batteries for the camera and extra memories. And these are the extra batteries for our sound recorder. So this is our full setup for our channel Into the Nature Relaxation. So guys, see you soon in our next video. Till then, take care.